Still sleeping, huh? How long has it been?
About 2 weeks. He's never been asleep for so long. I'm kind of worried.
I'm sorry, Pomni. What if we all pitched in for a while?
Yeah, I'd like that.
By the time you were real, most of your hair has been loved off and you get loose in your joints and very shabby. But these things don't matter at all, because once you are real, you can't be ugly. Except to people who don't understand.
Fireflies are interesting. They can create their own light. I really admire that. It's almost like when I hold my breath, you know?
Oops, sorry.
He better like these decorations.
He will.
I'm gonna go visit Jax for a while, but we should do that again sometime.
Oh, did you want company?
That's okay. I'll see you at dinner?
Sure. See you later.
Maybe I'll try playing that new song today. Visit! Jax! Good morning! Did you sleep well? You look different. I like your ears.